Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to download the Spotify app where you can enjoy music anytime and anywhere. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your smartphone. In the bottom right corner, you can see the search icon. Tap on it. Here, you can see the search bar at the top. Tap here and type Spotify and press enter or search. Look for the official Spotify app which has a themed green and black logo. Once you have found the app, tap the install button. The app will start downloading and it will install automatically on your device. After the app has finished installing, tap open to launch it. And that's it. You now have the Spotify app downloaded and ready to use. Now you can enjoy the music anytime you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick tips, and let me know in the comments if you'd like help with anything else. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.